3 recipes for weight loss snacks. Are you tired of munching on celery, carrots, and hummus? We've got better weight loss snacks for you. When it comes to reducing excess weight, you are probably aware that snacking can be a vital tool. By eating something every couple of hours, you not only keep your metabolism in optimum condition, but also maintain your blood sugar levels. However, it can be extremely boring and frustrating to eat the same snacks every single day. In this video, we will share with you some delicious weight loss snacks that will make you realize that following a healthy diet doesn't have to be tasteless and boring. Here are 3 healthy and tasty snack recipes that you can mix and match and prepare one of them each day to help you lose and keep weight off. 1. Kale chips. Recipe from The Hunger Fix by Pam Peek, MD, MPH, FACP. Instead of eating potato chips and crackers, kale chips can be a tasty and highly nutritious alternative. Here's how you can make this snack at home, according to Pam Peek, MD, MPH, FACP, and author of The Hunger Fix. Ingredients: a bunch of kale, equivalent to around 3 cups, washed, ribs discarded, and cut into bite-sized pieces. A tablespoon of olive oil. Half teaspoon of salt. Procedure: preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the bite-sized kale in olive oil and salt. Bake in the oven around 20 to 15 minutes. Make sure you mix the kale when they're halfway through. Allow to completely cool down, and snack as you would on potato chips. 2. Mashed avocados. If you enjoy eating avocados and would like to eat something exciting, try out this recipe by Liz Vicariello and Cynthia Sass, MPH-RD, who wrote Flat Belly Diet Cookbook. Ingredients: mashed 1/4 avocado, 1/4 cup pineapple, preferably fresh, half teaspoon of hot pepper sauce, 1 pinch of salt, 2 slices of multigrain crisp bread. Procedure: combine the mashed avocados, fresh pineapple, salt, and hot pepper sauce. Spread on the crisp bread. You can snack on this right away, or if you want it to be really crisp, toss it in a 300-degree oven and bake for 5 to 8 minutes. 3. Raspberry apple smoothie. Here's a refreshing, high-fiber fruit smoothie that makes a cool snack. This recipe is provided by Rob Thompson, MD, author of the Sugar Blockers Diet Cookbook. Note: it is advisable to include the peel of the ingredients to increase the fiber content. Ingredients: half a cup fresh raspberries, half an apple, chopped into smaller pieces, 3/4 of a cup unsweetened almond milk, or plain yogurt. Opt for the fat-free version. Ground psyllium powder, 2 teaspoons. 4 pieces of ice cubes. Optional: a tablespoon of unsweetened soy protein powder. Procedure: combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. Drink up! Oh my goodness, can you say healthy and delicious? All these snacks are healthy and low in calories, which means you can consume them without feeling guilty about cheating on your diet. Go on! Try these delicious recipes and you will never have to endure a boring snack again. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.